so we have a big brake kit coming in here. We don't really quite have it, but I gotta go and pick it up. So that means we're getting rid of these GeoTracker brakes and going to the S14s.
Where have I seen that box before?
It looks a little familiar to the Trailblazer.
The Trailblazer. Ooh, fans, we got a big brake kit here.
Slow down from 40 to 10. It's a 5 aggressive. I don't know what that means. Drive slowly to cool down your brakes, 5 minutes.
And Crawford with his best save of the night.
Flips and grooves.
Look at that, pads.
They're normal black pads.
Those the disc. Those itty bitty little guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm only forgetting you only doing fronts. Look at those little guys.
I think they're smaller than the GeoTrackers.
I think our big brake kit's actually smaller.
But it's vented.
Oh, it's vented. But yeah, here, take a look at those. Look at these Joneses, that vent. Looks a lot nicer compared to this.
And let's check out the hammer. Oh, it's pretty close. It's just a little smaller.
That's just a much nicer brake.
But look at the surface area of this compared to that one.
Yeah, you definitely got more surface area. That looks like that belongs on like a little truck or something.
Well, it's a little car that weighs 2,000 pounds.
Yeah. So fans, we're getting rid of the GeoTracker
front
hubs and brake assembly. We're going to a 240. It's going to be much easier because we got 240 coilovers front and rear. So it's just gonna make everything easier. Also, these are the best brakes we can get. And these, as you can see, these are literally a joke. So we'll keep that unsprung weight down a little bit too.
Well, the GeoTracker is made for 4-wheel drive, so they're a little more. And that's a drive knuckle.
Plus, these wonky ass spacers will be gone too. We're gonna get a much better spacer.
Much lighter.
Yes. Although we spent big money on those spacers, and you definitely can't resell those.
Yeah, I can.
Who's gonna buy a GeoTracker to a BMW?
It's actually that's a Ford bolt pattern, both of them. So the Ford bolt pattern and the BMW bolt pattern is the same.
All right, fans. Let's put them on and see how they look.
Nice and happy.
Wow, that's too easy.
That was too easy.
It fits right up to the steering column.
Yeah, I'm
That
not.
fits.
It'll go right in. It's just I didn't adjust it yet.
No, but that's scary how easy that goes in.
Yeah, and it's crazy because this is all set up. So I had to get different ones. We had to make these. Now we don't need to. These are the S14 that go straight to S14 knuckle. That is Toyota going in. All the
That's
joints,
Toyota chassis.
all the ball joints are Toyota, and it just fits perfectly in there. Just right there. Careful. Oh, it's in there. There it is.
Wow,
Holy moly.
that looks way nicer.
Yeah, looks like it was made to do something.
Oh yeah, that looks way nicer than before. So here's our new drive shaft.
Custom made for the Corolla, not even just a Grand Marquis drive shaft. This is made with effects to our drivetrain, our transmission, and like everything's involved. They asked me for the entire chassis and the power to weight and all that nonsense.
So
I don't know how much information that went into a drive shaft, but it is.
It's coming together nicely. We're getting Nissan parts to Nissan suspension, a proper drive shaft. Oh yeah. Build's actually getting less.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at our turbos all rusted, and then it's all oxidized on the carpet. But we're going to get that all off soon, right? Yeah, yay. Fans, she's on.
They're much smaller, as we talked about earlier. This bracket, pain in the butt to get. These are actually S13 brackets with S14, but honestly, they're all the same.
Can we just talk about how big this spacer is?
It's uncomfortably big. It's really...
We're eventually going to get a steal one of these, or we're going to try to figure out a way to not have these spacers. But as you guys can see, the issue is, if I got to give you this profile, right? The subframe ends there. Well, this is a 275, and this is just...
You need it.
Yeah, we already cut into the wheel well quite a bit here. As you guys remember, I don't know if you guys ever saw that video, but we had to cut it there.
To extend this, angle this out, bring everything out.
And it would look terrible if the coils were out.
Or it just changes the entire
geometry
of the car. So
yeah.
We're just gonna go this way.
Great.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Fans, so as you can see, we have our new S14 hubs on. with our new brakes on, our big brake kit, which actually, as you can see, looks smaller than the original brakes. But look at this. This thing rolls way smoother now, and these bearings are so much better. Like the old ones, you could like literally hear the metal grinding as they spin. They made a lot of noise. These are also vented brakes, cross-drilled and slotted like our other ones, but they have the big old venti boys in the middle. They have an even bigger, more obnoxious spacer. And the other nice thing is, you know, now we have hubs from a car that's meant to be rear-wheel drive, not all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive or whatever. So, hope you like this video of our brake kit. Our next video will hopefully be this thing driving, that you see this thing again. Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. And if you like this video, just please like it.